Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to set up microphone on Windows 10 PC. Ensure that your microphone is properly connected to your computer. Now click on the Start button. Go to Settings. Click on the System icon. In the left sidebar, click on Sound tab. Under Input section, click on the drop-down menu below. Choose your input device. Select the desired audio input device from the list. To test your microphone, click on the Device Properties link below the drop-down menu. In the Microphone Properties window, click on the Additional Device Properties link. The Microphone Properties window will open. In the General tab, you can change the name of the microphone and its icon. To adjust the microphone volume, go to the Levels tab. Adjust the volume by moving the slider to the left or right. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Now to test your microphone, click on the Start Test button and start speaking into it. Click on the Stop Test button to observe the volume level. This is how you can set up microphone on Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching.